How Salesforce AI enhances sales and marketing strategies. This powerful tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence, automation to enhance customer engagement, provide valuable data insights, personalized recommendations for improved scoring and sales performance. Artificial intelligence in sales and marketing. Artificial intelligence is at the core of Salesforce AI, enabling intelligent automation and customer relationship management. Salesforce AI features: marketing automation. Salesforce AI can automate various marketing tasks, such as customer segmentation, sales forecasting, and lead generation, allowing marketing teams to focus on creating targeted ads. Customer retention. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, Salesforce AI can help businesses improve customer retention rates through tailored marketing strategies and personalized communication. Benefits of using Salesforce AI. Competitive advantage. By leveraging innovative technologies such as Salesforce AI, businesses can gain a competitive edge by staying ahead of market trends and customer preferences. Increased sales performance. Salesforce AI provides valuable data insights and predictive analytics that can help sales teams identify opportunities, prioritize leads, and close deals faster. Drive marketing efficiency. With Salesforce AI, marketing teams can create more targeted campaigns, improve customer segmentation, and enhance lead generation efforts to drive higher conversions. Conclusion. Embracing the power of Salesforce AI can lead to improved productivity, increased sales performance, and enhanced customer satisfaction, ultimately driving business growth and success.